Hi, everyone. Welcome to Postpartum Perspectives. I'm one of your hosts, Julia Kavanaugh. I am a birth doula, postpartum doula, and newborn care specialist, and one of the teachers at Postpartum Doula Academy.
And she also helps me teach in Gentle Ventures when we do in-person classes. Yeah,
Yes,
she
that's
does.
right.
She does the breastfeeding and mama wearing if we do holistic classes, and she's amazing. She's an amazing teacher, and she's an amazing helper and amazing friend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
and I'm
you.
Nancy Ham, and I am Gentle Ventures, and have been Gentle Ventures for since 2012, I believe. Actually, I don't think I've ever mentioned this before, but I was the first online class ever for newborn care specialists.
Wow.
So I've been on the longest. I got great reviews. I hope that you will think about becoming a newborn care specialist and we have holistic classes and just regular NCS and newborn nanny classes. So
Yeah. You
that's,
really cover the bases
we
for
do.
newborn. Yeah.
We do. And today we're going to do something really different because
Yeah.
we've never done it before. Postpartum Perspectives covers both Postpartum Doula Academy and Gentle Ventures, but we've never talked about it. We've never said, "Oh, here's what we teach. Here's what we have available.
Yeah.
Come and have a look at us." So today we're going to do that.
Yes. Good. Okay. So which one do you want to start with, Nancy?
Doesn't matter to me. You pick.
Let's do Postpartum Doula Academy.
Okay, so what we're going to try to do here is we're going to share screen,
Mhm.
and we're going to show you the website. We're going to show you how to get to the courses. We're going to show you how much they cost. We're going to talk about the courses. And Julia's going to take more of the Postpartum Doula Academy or not questions, but information.
Explaining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do more of the Gentle Ventures stuff. So, okay, let's see if I can share screen and go. Hold on just a minute here. It's gonna go to Gentle Ventures first, and then I'm gonna switch it over to Postpartum Doula Academy. And so that's Gentle Ventures. Where are we here? Courses. Okay. So this is the Postpartum Doula Academy. Julia, take it.
All right, so these here, we have a bunch of courses. Nancy's going to scroll down here so that you can see some of what we offer. So this is the landing page, postpartumdoulaacademy.com. And if we scroll down,
Let me see here.
oh, do you want to do the home page? Yeah.
Well, you said it was a landing page, and it's not. That's what I was just.
Okay,
Oh,
so is
oh,
this the
and you might
landing?
start with that.
Okay, wait, go back up, Nancy.
Okay. Might start with
So,
one.
okay, so yeah, the home page.
Okay.
So this is the home page, and this page just brings you to our contact information and our contracts. So it gives you a little explanation of what a postpartum doula is and what's different about our curriculum. So, spoiler alert, what's different about our curriculum is that we really offer in-depth newborn care specialty training along with postpartum doula care that's very holistic. So, a lot of the postpartum doula courses that you might take elsewhere will touch on the fact that, like, oh, yeah, and maybe if you want to get certified in it, you could do something like yoni steaming, or you could offer other practices to help heal with that. But we're not really going to go into that too much. We're just going to cover da 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 da, right? Just the basics. It's a really quick run through. Whereas with us, we really take the time to talk about, like, what is yoni steaming? What kind of herbs go into it? How do you do it? Um, what are the ways that we can really use uh, plants and teas and food in our practice to help our moms that we work with heal? And and that's super special. We also teach oh, okay. So now we went back and when we're at the
No, that's
course.
okay. No, I went back because it was real distracting. It was going from picture to picture. You're doing a great job.
No, this is great. But I like that you're showing this because if you want to see what courses we offer, you would go to the courses tab that we're seeing here. And if you scroll down, you will see. number one, that we're Carrot approved. And that means that if you wanted to work with a family who wanted to use Carrot, and Carrot is a they're a company that reimburses parents for the money that they spend on hiring a postpartum doula. The cool thing about Carrot, oh, so Carrot works with certain companies, and those companies cover their employees. So
It's kind of like insurance. Is that a good way to
it's
kind of
kind of like
say it?
insurance.
Yeah.
It's kind of like insurance, except the parents will pay us directly as doulas, and then the parents will be reimbursed
Hmm.
by Carrot. So if you wanted to be a doula who accepted Carrot, you wouldn't actually be accepting money from Carrot, you'd be accepting it from the doula. But Carrot needs to know that the providers that they are reimbursing the parents to work with are qualified to be doing what they're doing. So what we do as doulas is we send in our certification information to Carrot once the client has said, this is the doula I want to work with. So then we will send Carrot our information, and Carrot, if you've taken our training, Carrot approves people who've done our course, which is
Right.
really exciting.
Right.
Um,
So
yeah,
we're not saying that Carrot is going to approve you just because you took our course. How am I trying to say that?
you also need the experience. You also
Yeah.
need to have a good letter that you send in, right? You have to have all the rest of the pieces that they ask for,
Right.
but our training is
Is
recognized by
recognized. Yes, it is.
them. So
We've had
that's,
people go through it and Carrot has approved them. So that's why
yes,
we say we're Carrot approved.
yes. So that's just about this a little bit. That's what you'll see here. And um and so So this is a little description about our postpartum doula class. So it's a 21-hour course. It's a comprehensive, holistic postpartum and newborn care training, and it really encompasses both fields. We also offer postpartum training for people who are already NCSs and they want to become a more holistic, uh, rounded person with the Postpartum Doula Academy. You can become a holistic postpartum doula with us and take the postpartum doula only class because you already have the newborn care expertise. Likewise, right now we're offering something for the doulas who want to have more newborn care specialty added. As long as you've trained with either us or a different doula organization, you can come and take the newborn care portion only as well. And we're offering a course in person that's happening in May, but we'll get to that in a little bit. We'll show you that on the events page. So we also offer postpartum surrogate doula training, and this is something that no other course offers, which is training for us as doulas on how to support women who are surrogates in their recovery after the baby is given to the parents that requested that the surrogate carry their
Yeah.
child.
And I had not given that very much thought.
Yeah.
And then Katie Moran actually started a website for this, and that's how you would get jobs, is going through her, because she has people coming to her, agencies coming to her, surrogate agencies coming to her, asking for surrogate doulas. And
Yeah.
it's really interesting because I was like, well, how much can there be involved? But there's a lot involved. I mean, maybe the surrogate wants to pump,
Yes.
and stuff like. And remember that they're going through a lot of the same things emotionally and physically as a mom does.
Yeah.
yeah, but we just have to deal with it in different ways. There's different psychological things that we have to remember and do differently.
Yeah.
So this is like a continuing education course.
Yes. Yes.
And
Perfect. It's 7 hours.
and I want to add that with the all of I think all the classes, we also give a business course.
Yeah.
And that's it comes with the classes. You have to pay extra for it, but it's how to start your own business. And it really goes into depth as to how to do it, like starting from what should I name my course to what kind of a business should I make it, an LLC, a corporation, a individual, what I'm trying to say. What do you call it?
An S corp.
No, just an individual business. I can't think what the exact name of it is now. But
Oh, no.
anyways, so we go through all that. We do marketing. It's a really good business course. So that is in there also, and I think I also do a consultation.
How to do a
How to
consultation.
do a
And
consultation, I think, but I'm not positively sure on that.
I know it's on your NCS Gentle
It
Ventures.
is. It is for sure on that. So
Yeah.
let's go down here so you can see
Yeah. So
what
here
the prices are.
they're laid out here. So if you wanted to take one of these classes online, right, you would go down and you say, okay, postpartum doula complete online course, and that's 797 for the introductory price.
So you would
And
just click on the picture is what you would do, and it will take you to the PayPal page. We do accept PayPal only.
And we've got postpartum doula course for the NCS students. So if you've already taken the NCS training and you want to add postpartum doula care to it, you can do this course.
Okay, I want to add something to that too. The
Yeah.
the postpartum doula course for NCS students only is students who have taken approved classes. That is
Yes.
not the 6-hour class you took last Friday, and you're not going to be able to get this price. You need to take an approved NCS class, and then that's approved by the NCSA.
Perfect. Perfect. And Gentle Ventures offers one of those courses. So you could
Yeah,
do that first if you wanted, but honestly, just doing the complete one would cover you. Um, and then the surrogate doula for the continuing education, you have to be a postpartum doula in order to take that one. And that's 297. And the postpartum doula course for the NCS students who have already completed their training is 497. Nancy, can you show us what the PayPal page looks like by
sure.
clicking one of
We
the,
just clip on right here.
okay.
Okay, so now here's the page that it would take you to. Just shows you the price, and then you can just hit the green button. That's take this course. And here, if you want to look, is on the I don't know if this is your right hand side. I don't know how this.
The right-hand side, yeah.
Okay, that's how it comes up. Okay, it shows you the curriculum, so you can look at each of the classes that you're going to be taking, and let's see if it just there. So you can click on that, and it tells you what we're going to be teaching about those classes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's pretty complete as far as if you have any questions whatsoever, you call or email Julia or I, and I think those will be included in the information below
Oh, sure, for this
the
video?
video.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But once you click take this course, will you click that, Nancy? Will that take us to PayPal?
Huh?
Okay.
See, and then you get the course name. And I'll tell you what, girls, Julie doesn't even know this. If you put in the promo code podcast, I'll give you $100 off.
Woo!
But you
All right.
have to see this podcast this far,
Yeah.
and then then we would give you
Love
$100 off the
it.
class.
I love
Okay.
it, Nancy.
Okay.
Awesome. So then you click checkout
Yeah,
at the
then you
bottom
click
there.
checkout, and then it would take you. I don't want to take you to PayPal because that'll screw everything up. But
Yes, but so there you go. And that's being walked through the whole um from course to checkout
Right,
process. Yeah.
right.
And then if you want to look at contracts, we also offer those on our website. You can purchase contracts if you're wanting to work with a family and have a contract that really covers you. We've got you covered. So here we go. If you scroll down, you'll see our contracts listed. Um,
Well, here, I think contracts are listed here. I think there they are.
oh, perfect.
So
Okay,
you
so
just have to click because I've got a lot of contracts, some for NCSs, some for postpartum doulas, some for birth workers.
beautiful.
So
Okay.
yeah,
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so it's on the side.
right.
Yep. Excellent.
And these are
Okay.
completely, you will get the contract. It will have do not copy stamped on it and get it in a PDF. So you have to send me your changes if you want to edit anything or if you want to take anything out or add anything. And then I make the changes and send it back to you as a personalized contract with your name and everything in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's kind of the idea behind that.
Perfect. And then
Okay.
certificate requirements, if you want to go through the certification process, which is through the American Academy of Drugless Practitioners. That's who would be certifying you. And it's pretty well laid out. So you either need to have the PDA's full postpartum doula course taken, or you need to have taken a postpartum course from another.
Yeah, NCS course, you mean? An NCS course from another.
No, well, no, 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 no. To be to receive a certification. Oh, I see what you're saying. As an NCS course from another, and then take an
Yeah,
RPDA class. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you. You need to support 3 families, a minimum of 40 hours each within 2 years of completing the course, and make sure that that your resume can support that. And then you want evaluations from those clients, and then 3 postpartum clients that you used holistic measures with. And that it doesn't have to be extensive or complicated. It can be pretty simple, and we'll go over it in the classes too. Um, and then breastfeeding education, we give you a couple options. Um, Christy Joe Hendricks is one of our favorites. And then you want to attach a recent resume, include a current background check for us as well to examine, and then read 3 of these books, and you get to choose which ones you want. They're all fantastic. And then after this, you will complete a workbook that, Nancy, do they have to order the workbook or
No,
is
it
it?
actually comes with their welcome letter,
Okay,
but it
perfect.
is also, if you're a student, you also can download it free if you want to at any time.
Beautiful. Okay, where would you download it from?
You would download it from, got to move this stuff here, forms to download.
Oh, yeah, right
Yep,
on the far right page.
yep.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. And then if you want to contact Nancy and me, our contact information is there
Yeah, it should be
under
here.
contact.
And
Yeah,
like I said, we're also going to post it on,
this video
yeah,
at the bottom.
mine is there. I guess
Yep.
I need to put your number there too.
Well, it's got our mutual
Yeah,
address, email
yeah.
address. So,
And
yeah,
one
but
other
yeah,
thing I want to mention that we haven't mentioned, is very important. Gentle Ventures, as in Postpartum Doula Academy, we mentor for life. That's our
yes.
life, not yours. You probably live longer than me. But we mentor for life. Julia will do more of the mentoring with Postpartum Doula because she is a doula. I am not. And I will do the mentoring for Gentle Ventures.
Yeah. Yep. Thank you, Nancy. That's huge.
Yeah.
That's a big point. Okay. I feel good. I think we've gone over this
Okay.
page for the most part. Um, is there anything else that you want to touch on this website before we do Gentle Ventures?
No, I think we're going to,
Okay.
I think we're going to move on.